If you're sick and tired of feeling like your earwax moving around, feels like something's crawling there, you feel like you can't hear out of one ear, you want to see if it's like packed up with earwax, I got a product for you that might help, so let's talk about it in this video. Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now today we have the BeBird R1 series of their earwax cleaner. Now I love earwax cleaners. I already had multiple of different kinds, and they're my favorite. BeBird is my favorite brand when it comes to earwax cleaners, so I'm pretty hyped to have this product on the channel. So let's talk about the price first, and then we'll get into everything else, and later on you guys get to see the inside of my ear because I had to give you guys a visual of how this thing works. So when it comes to the R1, BeBird R1 earwax cleaner, there is a lot of, when you go to the website, you'll see so many different combinations, some with more things, some with less. This white one, it came pretty simple. It's just one different tip, cleaning tip, and then the charger, and that comes out about like 27 bucks. Now, with this other R1, this one was like the more souped up version, only for $5 more right now on Amazon. I'll put the link for both of these down below, but I think this would be the better option because with this one you get the multiple tips, you get a lot of different tips, and then you also get different inspections for like your mouth or your tongue. You can see the back of your throat with one of them, another one you can see in your nose, and then the one you can also inspect with your ears as well. So they have three different attachments that you can attach to see, and also they have like a whole bunch of different, like, let me show you right here. They have a whole bunch of different like cleaning tools to clean your ears out as well if you need help scooping some stuff out. So that is 32 bucks for that black one, and then the 27 for the white one, which basically doesn't come with too many things. So I would just lean more right now at the price, and just get all those different things, and you get a whole bunch of those different cleaning tips, which are like almost $14 to buy a whole new pack itself. Alright, so when it comes to the tip of the BeBird R1s, they are silicone tips, so that means you can rewash them and reuse them, I might say, and you can just keep washing them, clean them really good, do whatever you want to get them nice and clean, so you don't have to keep alternating and putting new ones on here, so you'll get a good amount of use out of one, so you don't have to worry about that. When I seen that, that's really good. You don't want to have to keep replacing these because then that could get expensive. So with the silicone tips, that's really nice that you can just wash, reuse. But as you can see, it does come with different tips on here to add attachments on here. Like I said, for the nose, your throat, and then your ear, so you can inspect inside of there more. I use the ear inspector in a video as well, and you'll see the use case for that also. Now, when it comes to connecting these, it's very simple. When you open the box, there will be a little flyer thing in there, a little manual for you, and when you open it, there's a little QR code you can scan on your phone. It'll download the app, and it walks you through the process of connecting this. It's very simple and easy, and once you connect it, right away you can see the camera, and see there's a little camera at the tip of these, and then see what's in your ear when you go inside. So I already did a demonstration of that, so let's go inside of my ear and check out how this thing works. Alright, so let's go inside the ear of me right now. Let's check out my ear right here. In this first clip, as you can see, I went inside of there, and you can see all the earwax that's already on my ears. Don't mind the hairy ears, but you can see all the earwax is covered all over them. And then you can see that there's a good amount in the back right there at the end of the canal. So we slowly start to scoop some of that out, and it's funny because it looks like so much when you first do it, and then you're like, man, there's a lot on there, and then when you pull it out to clean it off on the napkin or something before you go back in, there's like little crumbs on there, but it looks so big on camera. All right, in this other clip, we finally went to the back and we're trying to attack that big amount of it in the back that we seen back there, and where I finally start to scoop it forward and get it out of there, and it was a good amount just sitting there. Now there's a whole bunch of different ones. There's like dry wax. Oh, look at that big old chunk I pulled out of there. So that the satisfaction of getting those out of your ear is amazing, especially if you're a person that likes to clean your ears. You're gonna love this thing, or if you know someone, they're gonna love this thing. Now you guys can see how hairy my ears are inside there, and then when you go in there, it's hard to really see. Now, we put one of the attachments on there, and it was perfect that we did that. I put that on there, and as you guys can see right here, we're going into my ear, and then I was able to go right past the hair and then see where I was telling you guys where it's really pink and stuff you want to be careful at. And on the edge, you can see where I scooped out that big chunk, and there's still some of the residue left from there, but you can see, you can inspect way better with the attachments on there, and it just pushes the hair out of the way, and you can get to the back of the ear and see what's there and see where you have to attack yourself. So you'll start to get a feel for it the more you use it. And like now, like I've done it before, so like my ears are getting way more hairier. I got to clean those things out, but it was easier to see, in there. But I already got a feel from doing it so much where I can see, how to rotate the BeBird, and then scoop it and stuff. So you'll get used to it the more you use it, and then how to maneuver in there. Now, one thing I will say is don't put a lot of force down. Even though it looks like I'm scooping hard and pushing against my ear hard, I'm not. I'm just lightly scooping it, and it'll start to come. That you'll get some that don't want to budge or any of that are really like stuck to your your skin. Don't force it, and don't do it too hard, But with this one as well, you can probably scoop a little bit harder because there's so many different styles in here. The only thing is you can't see where you're scooping. You just got to remember where it's at, because these are like, like a metal or whatever. So you don't have to worry about, the tip breaking off like this one. But when you're using this, just, gently do it. Now, some things I would say is, don't go too far. Don't go too deep. Don't hit your eardrums. Stay away from your eardrums. Just go to a certain point where the canal, you'll see it there's like no hair or nothing, and it's nice and pink or whatever. Just stop there. Don't go no further. Normally your buildup will be right on the edge of there, so just be careful. If you feel like you have a little big old blockage and you can't break it down, you can't scoop it, or if you feel like you're pushing it further or anything, just go to the doctors, let the doctors handle it. Just be careful with this thing. You don't want to mess up your ears. Just scoop gently and don't go too deep in there with the earwax cleaner. Well, there you have it, buds. That is the BeBird R1. Now, there is the R1 Plus as well if you want to get that one. I think that one's like $35. I'll link all three of these options up there for you guys. This is the $27 option that doesn't have as many, crazy things that come with it, attachments. And this one's $32. I think it's better. I think it makes sense just to get the 32, $5 more, $6 more, whatever it's going to be. And then you just have way more attachments, way more new tips to add at the end of this also. And then you get more scoopers. There's so much more you can get for $5 more. I think this would be that better option. And also they have the BeBird R1 Pro, or Plus, and I'll link that for you guys. And it's basically the same thing, a little bit more updated. So if you guys want to check that out, the links will be down in the description below. And if you're trying to get this for anyone, if you're obsessed with your ears and you're always cleaning your ears with Q-tips, which you shouldn't be cleaning with Q-tips anyway, this is something you might want to get yourself or get someone else. It's really cool, man. This thing is addicting. Once you guys get this and start cleaning your ears, and like, all right, how to keep your ears clean, it's a game changer. So, but there you have it, buds. I pinned up some of my other videos here. You guys can click the links, check those out. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. I see all you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.